You know it's big and I'm recording on the main channel. Hello. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be setting up a printer. And I'm going to see yonks, boys. Maybe you guys understand that I used to be good at setting things up. I'm terrible now. But anyway, I got a DeskJet 3055A. Yeah, it does need a bit of a clean up. I'm not going to bother. Really. It'll do, won't it? So today I'm going to be clearing the room. Ready to set up a printer. I'm going to test this working. This is going to be like 3 hours long. But hey, I've got nothing else to do today. So I'm not going to time lapse anything either, so you have to watch. Sorry, it's not my fault because I don't care. Anyway, oh, that's such an old man. Okay, so we're going to start by just popping your material down here. I'm going to bring the camera down. Oh, you guys haven't really seen under the sea. Not this one, lightish. Need to grab something first. I couldn't honestly tell you where half my things have disappeared off to. Anyway, so we're just going to pop some. I need to get like a. I need to go in there, aren't I? Sorry guys, it's a terrible video so far. But it's going to bug me otherwise, so. Not doing that. That's probably not necessary. It'd be amazing to know where my tripod's gone, my mini tripod. Can't even remember the last time I used it. I really don't have to use that. It really is very, very annoying when you have something you use for ages and then just one day you lose it and you never see it. It's so annoying. Is it just me? Oh, it's just me. It has to be in here. Found it, found it, found it. Screw the thing onto it and then you'll get to see it. It's just this. It doesn't look like great though, but it's really handy for I'm doing under the studio things. Can you see it okay? Well, I've only got 40 minutes to do all this. So let's start by popping that like that in there. Getting this Energizer brick and putting that in here up there. You can't see up there, that's just long-term storage. I can put this down where the books again, you don't really need to see the books. If you want to see anything, you always go to the setup video because I showed you all the organising things. Really? Okay. So, this is your miscellaneous technology. This is all my wires. And that. got some discs. But I don't think you guys can know how much stuff I hoard. Well, I'm a hoarder. Yeah, whether I say it or not, or whether I try and deny it to my parents, I hoard. Yeah, it's just who I am. If only you guys knew how much dreadful rubbish there is around here. I collect bunches and bunches and bunches of just junk, utter rubbish that no man in his right mind would ever need. Like, I thought my granddad was worth having a floppy disk collection. Oh no, 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 oh no, 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 no. I'm worse. I want to buy a floppy drive reader. It's really sounding a lot better in my head, actually. I disturbed all my books, so they're all falling. I just put a CD down there and a case, just to get out of the way for a couple of minutes. Well, like I'm changing the landscape of the world, is it now? Fit in this gap here. I've got a little gap here I could use. That's as far as that's going to go. Right, I'm going to grab the printer. Okay, this is really bad vlogging, isn't it? Okay, we're going to go grab the printer. This is the main channel way, not the second or third, the main. The main, I'm doing all of this. Good golly, God, that's heavy. Right, does it fit? No. Ouch. Ow. Ow. Is it possible to get that in there? Behind the scenes that I used to file all my other paperwork, i.e. not safe for viewing on YouTube paperwork, as in legal documents. I used to set all this gaff up. Why are you behind there? Why aren't you going in? You literally fit. Have to do for now. It's beginning to look like this was a bad idea, funny enough. So, there's the printer, boys. The printer is in the building. Now it's just a tackle of lifting this up. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. That'll do just nicely, I think, for at least 20 something days when I get a new set of wires down there. I think it's like 20 days until the shipment arrives, I'm not sure. That'll do just fine. Okay, that is going to have to sit behind there because otherwise it's going to really annoy me. Okay, that'll do just fine. Lift it all up. Put some paper in there. Put it out because that'll sit back. Okay, here we go. That'll be alright to sit in there for now, won't it? Let's go and grab the wire. I just spent 3 days organising this like about a month ago and I've already torn it all up. I'm not very proud. Naturally, you wouldn't be proud of yourself if you just torn up your room, but at least I know where I sit with my room. I know it's very messy all the time, but right, then again, I'm a busy man. No time to clean, no time to wash, no time to bath. No, I eat, sleep, record, repeat. Eat, sleep, record, repeat. You don't know, by the time this goes out, it's probably about 2 weeks since I last recorded a video. So, right, it's alive! My monster's alive! There we go. Okay, we're going to go sit back on my pod now. Okay, so it's alive. There's going to be a review coming in the next couple of weeks about it. Okay, we've got a bigger problem on our hands. Also, occasionally that just flops open. Right. Good printer, guys. Okay, so I need to bounce downstairs and grab. Ow! Why am I an idiot? Right, I've got to bounce. Be like 2 minutes. Okay, so I've got a stack of Xerox paper. Let's just slot it in. Let's do quick forms, office forms. Let's do fax cover. And that is just a test. Operations. I know you can't see. Might have coughed it out. Perfect. Okay, well, I'll put that back in backwards because I'm not going to chuck away paper like that. I'm not an idiot. I also don't hate the environment. Let's just turn it off. Let's stick a relatively large amount of paper through. And now, relatively large amount until it's full of just paper. Don't half love another lot of paper. Delightful. Righty ho. I'll just rest that on top when it comes down for me to print. Anyway guys, I hope you hated this video. Go dislike all my others for their psychology. I've been saying that in all my videos though. Until I actually start getting hate and then I'll cry. Could slot this. So we're not quite finished. We've still got one sort of last job to do. I'm in the ever living crisis is gonna go. Okay. That's jam packed in there. Okay, I've got a nice area with a printer. I really need it. It's all in there. So yeah, go like, comment, share, subscribe to my other videos. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Peace of mind, boy.